vacation, right? So how is your family life changed? Tell us more about that.
It will be a life changing experience. It has definitely brought me from one section of the society to the other. So suddenly everybody who has given a hard time to my parents in any lifetime, they are now my parents' best friends. They are like, oh my god, your daughter needs to talk to my kid. Tell her, tell him. So the first vacation I took my parents on, I put my parents on a plane and brought them to Kozhikode. I bought the first car of the family, which is like a mini SUV. I just still feel so happy because I know I've raised the standard of living of my family.
I want to hear from you. How has your family life changed? Have you guys bought an apartment? What was the change in life? कि आप मल्टीप्लेक्स में मूवी देखते हो, डिनर करने बाहर जाते हो, you guys go on vacations like you were saying कि you
Yes.
never went on a vacation, right? So how has your family life changed? Tell us more about that.
Definitely changed a lot because I was living in that ancestral home and it was in the older part of Ghaziabad. So that wasn't a very big house. We were like living in a two-room kitchen kind of thing because we grew up in such a small space. So it was always like growing up, it was always in our heads that we have to move out one day or the other, right? To a bigger space and something. When COVID happened, everything happened. That is when we took a decision that okay, because my father is earning, my brother is earning, I am earning, then we can move to a apartment outside. So we rented an apartment, and I am currently living in the same apartment. At that time we couldn't, like, we were barely like affording the rent. Now it's like nothing for us, touch wood, right? So I live in that apartment, and these are like very very small things, but for somebody who has lived in like a two-room apartment, you have a space of your own. I have my room of my own. That's like a really big thing. I never had a room of my own until 22 years of my life, 22, 23 years of my life, right? So that is one. About vacations, we are frequently able to take vacations. So the first vacation I took my parents on, I put my parents on a plane and brought them to Kozhikode, and I showed them in.
First flight ticket for uncle and auntie.
Yes, yes. I was very sure that I want to give them the best flight experience. So I booked a Vistara. I was like, no Air India, no Indigo, we'll go in a Vistara, and and stuff like that. And then I showed them around in Kerala and everything. So that was their first vacation. Recently, like in November of last year, I bought the first car of the family. I bought a car which is like a mini SUV. I am so happy about it because my parents, like, I just remember for the longest time my mother asking for a car. So I was so happy when I could, take them to showroom, book that car. Then the day then we went to, take our delivery, they take your pictures and everything. And it just feels so nice that hey, you're driving your own car, you're not taking any cab anymore, no autos, no asking from some relative like can we loan your car or something, right?
How much was your PPO offer?
So the PPO offer that I got was 39, and obviously it came like a huge joining bonus, like a huge
How
joining
much?
bonus. जब वो first salary credit हुई थी with your salary amount and that joining bonus, so they give you like 10 lakhs for joining bonus. And like the first salary was like, oh my god, this is happening. I am actually worth this much because I knew I had earned it. I had put that effort, and I knew I was one of the top people in my class. I knew that I know what I'm doing. I'm good at it because I've worked for it. So there was no imposter syndrome at that point, and I was feeling thrilled. My parents were thrilled. Everybody around my parents, all my relatives were thrilled. Everybody was thrilled. Suddenly, what do you say na कि suddenly सब cheerleader बन जाते हैं. So suddenly everybody who has given a hard time to my parents in any lifetime, they are now my parents' best friends. They are like, oh my god, your daughter needs to talk to my kid. Tell her, tell him how she made it to it. Like, what she's doing and stuff like that. And obviously, like, it was like I was just grateful. Honestly, I was just grateful, and in that moment I just realized maybe I wasn't enough grateful earlier, because I am somebody, I my internship got over on 30th of May or 31st of May. On 9th of June I had an offer in my hand. Accenture was the first company to release its offers. I was just so happy, and I just still feel so happy because I know I've raised the standard of living of my family. I know I have a lifestyle I never thought I would have. Like, this is beyond my dreams what I have right now, touch wood. Right? And I know there's more to come. I have hope. So definitely it's a life changing thing for me. It will be a life changing experience. It has definitely brought me from one section of the society to the other.